What you doing? What you doing? You trying to get that? Are you gonna come get me? Oh, you're stuck. Mace. Mace. What are you doing? Oh.
He's going to ask for a glass of milk. And you give him milk.
What are you doing? Is that stuck up under you? Is that uncomfortable? Oh. Gotta move it out of the way.
Then I want to look at the milk and make sure he doesn't have a little mustache. And he looks in the mirror, he might notice his hair needs a trim. So he'll probably ask for a pair of nails. When he's finished giving himself
You gonna help me cook dinner? Oh. Now you're standing. Now what are you gonna do? You excited? Oh, you can try to let your hands go? What are you gonna do now? Uh-oh, he's got one hand. Where are you going? Whoa, whoa, oh! You did two hands for a little bit. You trying to get up there? Oh, Lord. Okay, now you're standing there. Now what are you going to do? Now you're going to try to reach my knee? Oh, now you got my knee. You can't walk yet. Don't even try. Mason. 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 Are you big boy? You think you're a big boy, huh?